I don't do borehole for one community for Ilorin. How much did I spend? Do you understand? As I'm talking to you now, I have budget for some boreholes I want to do for some states. How much did I spend? I spent almost 5 million naira, right? So that money that man is talking about, so can give or take, he can do like 500 million boreholes. Do you understand? Now, all of us, the Nigerian youth, we need to stop doing what our forefathers did. Whether we point out wholly to the presidents. Do you understand? You point out only to the president, it's wrong. All these state governments, all these state governors, they are getting it easy. It's time to protest. You see, if you want to even do protest again, it's time to stand against your own governors in your state to say, why is our road not good? If this man is saying he's using 1.2 billion naira to repair 25 boreholes, imagine how much he will collect to repair roads. I watch this thing with so much disgust in my heart, with so much anger in my heart, because yes, it's not my state, but it is crazy. Let's stop this bandwagon of every time Tinubu not give these people money. You heard it now. Am I crazy? These are the people putting country inside a mess. Time don't reach every say I will come out for this Tinubu nonsense. Do you understand? It's time to forget all this Tinubu. Focus on your state governors. My road is not good in Edo State. Do you understand? From Edo to Warri, from Edo to Delta State is not supposed to be give or take. It's not even supposed to be up to 30 minutes. But you go use 4 hours, 3 hours till they go Delta State. Whose fault is that? Does it a federal road? You as a state governor, don't you want your state to be good? I will come and say, but Tinubu, which Tinubu again? Now before, yes, I I like to insult Tinubu. It is my right to insult Tinubu. But there are some things that I sat down and I calculated and I said, no. Your state is bad. There's no road in your state. Tell your governor. Protest against your own governor first. You don't have good schools. Protest against your state governors first. Don't let them go out easily. We blame Buhari for a time, but there were governors that their name did not come out. Buhari regime was bad, but the governor's name did not come out. We blame Goodluck, but the governor's name did not come out. Now we don't start this thing with Tinubu, and our forefathers did the same thing again, blaming the number one man, but forgetting that this number one man also have people that they picked, and those people too are not doing anything. How many things you want the number one man to oversee? How many things? Nigerian youth, wake up and understand that, wait, the governors of our states are the presidents of our states. They are the presidents. We should hold them accountable for nonsense. I am not from Sokoto, but this is annoying. 1.2 billion to repair 25 balls. Give me that money. You know how many balls I will do for Nigeria? 1.2 billion? It's crazy. See, leave Tinubu out of this. Do you understand? I don't like Tinubu. Do you understand? But please.